You are going to love the 2018 Gran Turismo. The Maserati GranTurismo is the first modern two-door, four-seater coupe that delivers much more than its sensual body initially suggests and is priced below $75,000. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, navigation system, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, overhead console. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.